Hello everyone, I'm Shell from company IEI. Today I'm going to introduce you IEI's PICMG 1.0 product, WSB-H810. You might be interested in the reason why I think this board can satisfy multiple applications. Let us trace back to the feature of single board computer PICMG 1.0 first. Single board computer is different from the ATX motherboard. It does not like our desktop. You can use one motherboard to link to all the devices. We need to plug the single board computer on the backplane. On the other hand, we can expand the function by many ISA and PCI slots on the backplane, so it can satisfy the user who need to use a lot of controller and the expansion cards. In addition, WSB-H810 doesn't have pre-installed CPU. You can use any CPU you want, which is supported by H81 chipset. That means if the CPU gets failure, you don't need to spend more money to buy a new single board computer. You just need to buy a CPU to replace it. And let's trace back to the feature of the PICMG 1.0. I mentioned that we need to plug it on the backplane. And all the expansion cards will plug on the backplane too. So when a single board computer gets failure, you don't need to waste a lot of time to remove all the cards from the single board computers. You just need to buy a new single board computers and replace the old one. That's all. I hope you guys get clear about the single board computer for now. Today, we have a full package WSB-H810. Let's take a look at it. First, you can find that we have a whole box for this WSB-H810. In this box, we have foam to protect the products. And there we have quick installation guide and QR code, which you can scan the QR code to our official website to download the resource of the products. In here we have two SATA cables. And here we are. Our products, WSB-H810. Here you can find that we have two memory slots which can support the DDR3 to the 16 gigabyte. And here we have SATA pin head, which supports the 2 GB per second and one supports the 3 GB per second. And for the video port, we have VGA port, and also here we have IDP port, which you can transfer to other video ports like HDMI, LVDS, DP, VGA, like this. And also we have mini PCIe connector, which you can use full-size or half-size mini PCIe cards. And here we have also PCIe mini connectors, but it has mSATA signal. So you can connect to the mSATA cards here. And also we have two stiffener bars to protect our single board computers. Okay, for more information you can find in our presentation here. And the other important point is our single board computer supports wide temperature from -20 to 60. So we have some delivering successful solutions of this board to military factory automation, railway, gaming market before. In railway and military application, because of its difficult environment, wide temperature supports become a great advantage in this sector. In factory automation application, usually requires a lot of expansion card and controller cards. So it's more convenient for them to have a lot of slots to expand the function they need. And in the gaming application, slots, COM ports, video ports become their best choice. Okay, now I'm going to introduce our real successful stories. No doubt that the biggest international event recently is FIFA. I believe you've already bet for some teams as a support. In the gaming application, we can't forget the lottery balls. Our WSB-H810 has been sold to make a lottery ball machine. If you have ever seen the lottery ball machine, you will know that it has a tube which can draw the balls up. We use two COM ports to control the engine and their air compressor. And our WSB-H810 has been sold to make a LED tester. LED tester is an important equipment for LED manufacture. It's a device which controls the quality of each product in the factory. In this case, we use two COM ports to connect with the photometric machine to test the result of every LED. After the introduction, I believe all of you understand the function and application of our WSB-H810. If you have interest in our product, you can scan the QR code to link to our website. Thank you for your watching.